Why does the Phoenix housing market feel so confusing right now? And what does it mean for your home value? Hi, I'm Diana Benson with Benson Appraisals. If you've been watching the Phoenix market lately and thinking, wait, are prices going up or down? You're not alone. The truth is both are happening at the same time. And today I'm going to explain why the market feels so confusing right now and what it actually means for your home's value. So we're in a very unique market. Overall, when you look at the headline numbers, it might show that prices are slightly down compared to last year. But that doesn't tell the whole story. Because what we're seeing right now is a fragmented market where different price ranges and areas behave very differently. So let's break it down. Higher end homes, especially those over $2 million, these properties are still seeing price stability, in some cases appreciation. Why? Limited inventory, more cash buyers, and less sensitivity to interest rates. Now, the mid-range homes, this is where you're seeing the most balance, but also more concessions, longer days on market, and an increase in negotiations. Now, entry-level homes, those are the most sensitive to interest rates, so even the small rate changes can significantly impact affordability and demand. Now, location matters more than ever. Not only are price ranges behaving differently, but locations are diverging as well. Some areas in the East Valley are still holding strong, while others, especially far out, are becoming more buyer-friendly. So when someone says the market is up, or the market is down, the real answer is, which market are you talking about? Here's what we're seeing in real time. About 50% of sales are including concessions, and average concessions are about $10,000. Days on market are increasing. Sales price to list price ratios are softening slightly. This tells us that buyers are gaining more negotiating power. Sellers need to be strategic with pricing and presentation. So what does this mean for value? Well, from an appraisal standpoint, this type of market requires more analysis than ever. We can't just look at a few recent sales or broad market trends. We have to analyze competing listings, concessions, pending sales, micro market behavior, because value today is hyper-specific to your neighborhood, your price range, and your property's condition and upgrades. So here's the bottom line. The Phoenix market isn't declining, and it's not fully appreciating either. It's dividing. And understanding where your property fits into this division is the key to making smart decisions. So if you're thinking about selling, going through an estate or divorce, or just want to understand your home's true value, I'd be happy to help at Benson Appraisals. We provide independent, unbiased valuations so that you can move forward with confidence. I'm Diana Benson with Benson Appraisals, service you can trust.